Here I have HONOR Magic4 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera. Then when you adjust to normal photo mode, what you have to do is to hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let's try it out. So I'm just holding it and the burst shot is on. So as you can see right now I took like 23 photos. So by tapping here we can review them all, and here you can see how I take this burst shot and like select photo which you like the most, save it, and then delete others. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.